Problem number one. Gotta jack this bitch up. But we can't jack this bitch up.
Why don't you?
Well, know what? I could just go drive on some wood. Plenty of wood around. With nails on it.
You could reverse it and then we've actually got space on this thing.
So you want me to do it here? You know what, that's probably a logical decision. We'll do that.
What
are you saying about my car? It's too low.
Yeah.
Too low for his standards.
Oh, I can't lift it up when I take it home. I have to go to the garage to get it sorted. Uh-huh. Do you want to carry on?
I'm just saying.
Hmm?
Nothing. I gotta put some wood under. Do you want to put wood like that, or do you want to put the wood like that? And I just
Well, I mean, can you mount it?
I've done it before, so
Okay, well,
should be able to.
used to a lot of people ripping the bumpers off when they try and mount it. Wood like this. Stop.
It's normally what we've done.
Wait, do we even need to lift the car up now? Because I mean, we can get to the undershroud now.
Yeah, because we need to get a drill under there.
What are we drilling through? The front bumper.
So there's three holes that we've got to drill 10 mil wide.
The back.
Like a middle point.
Oh, let's take this off.
I'm doing that like Kiwi thing where we just rip it.
Ah.
It's not actually attached to a lot of it. So to explain what we're actually doing, we're installing the Z1 undershroud for the Nismo. Because I got the Nismo front, that's a rear. But obviously Nismo front needs the Nismo undershroud. So it comes with 3 bits, if you're unaware. Something like that. And then they give you all new hardware. So you've got all the screws that replace all your old ones for your undershroud. They have all the little clippy things for your bumper. Whatever that thing's called. And then you've got a little rivet tool. Screws from some rivets you gotta drill a hole for. And that's about it. So it should be pretty easy to do. But yeah, so we're doing that because mine's fucked. I love my vlogging skills right now. Sit up camera, have banter.
Yeah. This is how you replace the undershroud, but also we will not show you how to do that.
I feel like that's every install video, though. It's like, oh yeah, we're doing the thing, but we're not actually going to show you how we did it. You're just going to
we'll make it like 20 minutes long of us just absolutely talking nonsense.
Well, there is more tools here.
No, I'm just saying. They're all electric, so it's literally like 2 seconds a bolt. You're a twat. You're a straight twat. Oh, I've got tools! Yeah, but are they electric? No, I've got tools. Oh, okay. Comes doesn't bring tools. Yeah, they're all hands, you know, twisty, like 5-minute spinner tools, you know. You know, I can't afford electric ones.
Actually, there probably is an impact drive or something.
Such a twat. Who raised you?
I don't know. Anyway. Popping off the undershroud through all the bolts. And then we got to put on all the new hardware to line up because this bumper doesn't even have hardware on it. Okay, 2 more screws there. Sweet as, bro.
Oh, you're a Sapphire.
No, you're a Sapphire. I just hang around too many Sapphires.
Nah, that's not South African, thank you.
You're not South African.
Nah.
Where are you
I'm lying
from?
you all this time. I'm actually from the South Island.
Well, they can't even see it. What the hell? Must have smacked that pretty hard on something. He's dead cheap, guys. Where's he going? Yeah, have a look at mine. Yeah, beautiful. And some oil or something there. And no clips up here, so doing that all now. Sophisticated laziness.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that shit. Look, he's not lazy anymore.
Look, it's done. Oh my gosh, the screw is out.
Wow!
Quick work.
Wow, that's so cool, bro.
Get one. It's from Super Cheap. They're hella cheap.
Super cheap, hella cheap. So are they super cheap or are they hella cheap?
They're both hella cheap from Super Cheap.
Look at this guy go.
It's almost like you have the right tool for the job.
The job becomes easy?
Yeah.
Wow.
Story of my life.
Ouch.
Look, yeah, it's just a single one. Oh, immaculate. I can sell the shroud for like $20.
You mean just throw it in the bin?
Basically.
Sell it.
Like I've done with mine. Tossed it out. It's like
They're not working.
what?
This is not working.
This thing, yeah, I don't know.
So it's finally installed. So we got these 6 bolts up here. The 3 bolts that go into that frame section. 2 bolts here, 2 bolts there, and then the 2 bolts at the end. So these ones have the white washers. Like this packer, I suppose, with the like clip-on washer type thingy, and so there's one under here as well, which is a real pain in the ass when you want to inject your car up with like a foot to tighten down. I'll show you from the side. So that's that one there. So that's all done, and now we'll see if it's great without some rigidity. The missus figured out these rivet thingies, which is quite funny. This device with these little gold rivets from nut thingies. The missus managed to figure those out because me and Josh couldn't figure it out. Well, what the fuck, how does this work? And she's like, oh wow. But yeah, that's all done. Just got this thing. Need to touch up my roof and do some other stuff to the car. So we'll lower it down, go for a drive. We'll see if we notice anything. I don't think we'll notice anything, but at least now my bumper's held on by 8 screws as opposed to 2 screws and some clips. Well,